Despite Cardano's many virtues, the cryptocurrency's valuation has remained shockingly low, and it's getting out of hand. What kind of science-based coin to lead the general crypto market would be struggling to stay balanced with a few cents? And since Cardano is under a founder who has emphasized his disinterest in making the ADA price predictions, investors do not have any reason to buy the coin. But what if this sentiment is set to change? For the longest time, Cardano ADA has been struggling with the identity of being undervalued. According to reports from crypto analytics firm Sentiment in December of 2022, Cardano was in a complicated state in the cryptocurrency market. The asset could not find any support from institutional investors in 2021 and has not gained any redemption in 2023. Even 2 years of active selling made Cardano extremely undervalued compared to Ethereum, Solana, and other competitors. Last year, according to crypto analytics platform Sentiment, there was some indications that sellers were becoming exhausted. On every downward movement on ADA, there were fewer coins at a loss on the network, which reflected continuously decreasing selling power on the network. Additionally, a downward trend in trading volume, which is one of the strongest reversal signals, was observed on the market. As a trend goes by, bulls or bears gradually lose their power, slowly giving momentum away, and at that point, a trend reversal happens. This could be the case for Cardano in the second half of 2023, especially if there is a general recovery of the cryptocurrency market. However, the whole analysis was based only on a few indicators that did not present any fundamental insights that would allow us to confidently forecast the movement of ADA for the rest of the year. How things turn out depend solely on how much the Cardano ecosystem is committed to giving its investors a run for their money. And unfortunately, Cardano does not look like it's ready for a bounce as it has remained on the lows, failing to gain momentum. This is not a time to be frustrated though. In moments like this, we need to go back to the roots. So let's check out the reasons why we had to invest in Cardano ADA in the first place. And if there were no solid reasons, then it's not that strange that the interest is waning. Cardano ADA, despite the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency industry in which it operates, has managed to position itself as one of the leading competitors in the market. It is still in the top 10, however, despite its superior technology and solid foundations, Cardano is inexpensive compared to its competitors. But why is Cardano priced so little, and is there something that we need to know regarding this? As much as we can remember, in contrast to other cryptocurrencies, Cardano was established through a method that was subjected to scientific assessment by peers. This suggests that the procedures and system utilized by Cardano have undergone extensive testing and verification by professionals in the relevant industry. But let's not be quick to forget that the Cardano platform allows developers to create smart contracts and decentralized applications, which may be used to automate operations and create a decentralized, transparent ecosystem. Is Cardano still a good investment for the long term? Simply put, yes, it is. As a result of its roadmap, strategic partnerships, global business applications, and dedicated online community, Cardano has shown itself to be a good investment in the long term, being around the crypto industry longer than most crypto projects and even many crypto exchanges. Even though the Cardano ecosystem still has a couple of loopholes, its long-term potential still stands. Back in February 2023, Cardano ADA was becoming a longer-term investment for many holders, with an increasing number of people choosing to hold on to their coin for more than a year. This was a positive trend for the cryptocurrency, as it revealed growing confidence in its long-term potential. It's quite simple. As more people hold on to their ADA, the circulating supply of the currency decreases. This could potentially lead to an increase in demand for the remaining coins, thus driving up the price. Long-term holders are less likely to sell their coins during the times of market volatility, which can help balance the price of ADA. Also, one of the main reasons for increasing the number of long-term ADA holders is likely due to the consistent development of the Cardano network. Cardano has been making progress towards its goal of becoming a decentralized smart contract platform that can compete with Ethereum, hence its identity of being an Ethereum killer. Notwithstanding, buying a ton of Cardano ADA does seem like a pretty good decision. Despite the recent dips in price, Cardano's fundamentals still remain strong. The project has a dedicated team of developers working on its development, and its technology is widely respected within the cryptocurrency community. As noted earlier, Cardano has a strong community of supporters who are actively promoting and building on the platform. It is very irresistible, and perhaps this is why Gaudo decided to invest last year. Many wondered whether the investment was a good one or not. In the previous year, decentralized Cardano-based exchange ADA Swap secured $2.6 million in funding from such investors as Pluto Digital, GBV Capital, iAngels, Vinova Capital, and Banter Capital, plus Israeli actress Gal Gadot, who became an international superstar with the Wonder Woman in 2018, was among the investors who put their money into the project. The former model explained that participating in ADA Swap's funding round was an exciting investment opportunity for her. Input Output CEO Charles Hoskinson welcomed Gadot, an ex-Israeli soldier, to the Cardano family. ADA Swap co-founder Levy noted, "This is one of our first and greatest accomplishments towards building a new financial ecosystem that will have a great impact on our world. The ADA Swap team is excited to move forward with our project backed by the best investors from both technical and commercial backgrounds. We would like to thank all of our partners and advisors for supporting us to this point, and we can't wait to show the world what we have done." For many, Cardano is still an Ethereum killer, regardless of the inconsistencies. Experts describe ADA as a fantastic investment for new and existing investors. The price activity is a luxury that investors shouldn't let go of and is highly recommended. A blockchain expert noted that Cardano's proof-of-stake ADA coin and low energy usage approach are getting a lot of traction. It offers a lot of scalability. Although the digital token can currently execute 250 transactions per second, it is expected to reach 1 million transactions per second in the following years. Gal Gadot was probably happy after investing money in a cryptocurrency gaining momentum and interest among new and regular investors. And even though the crash in Cardano's price originally spelled disaster for token holders, it was also the foundation laid for some yearly highs. Cardano has always had one of the most detailed roadmaps for the development of blockchain projects, and is showing no signs of letting up now. In September of 2022, Cardano completed a major update, and this year Cardano is moving ahead with its new Volatility phase of the blockchain development. This stage focuses on the governance of the Cardano blockchain, making it more efficient when it comes to activities such as staking and validation. Of course, Cardano seems to disappoint investors regularly, and no one knows when this could be the case again. The pace of blockchain development of Cardano may seem slow for crypto investors thirsty for overnight returns. As a result, investors have continually complained for years that the Cardano blockchain is a ghost chain where nothing happens. Now, things are bound to change. Cardano is making a big push into DeFi, which is one of its most significant upgrades. Looking back to the Cardano ADA of 2021, it was the time when ADA reached an all-time high of just above $3. So many investors have been here for the long haul, and it's greatly commendable. This is proof that the conviction to invest in Cardano ADA did not stem from hype or FOMO. ADA has gone several transformations. It has evolved, grown up, and is poised to make things right with a renewed sense of purpose. And guess what? Here's where things start to get a little bit interesting. If we let our imaginations run wild and we picture ADA hitting a spot between $8 and $15 per coin, that alone could make it worth buying a ton. One thing is always for certain: Cardano is not messing around. But just as with any investment, it's essential to understand that a token's fundamentals, analyze its technology, and evaluate the team behind it, and of course, consider its potential for adoption and growth. Market sentiment and external factors can also influence the performance of these tokens. So as always, make sure you do your own research. You're of course going to want to make sure that you're staying updated, seeking expert advice, and continually monitoring the market, so you can make well-informed investment choices. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.